Welcome to Didio's Country to the Coast Fishing. I'm Tony and I'm Jason. We're going to be fishing all waterways, all our inland waterways right through to the coast. So sit back and enjoy the show. Alright, we've just come out here and we've found a nice big school of kingfish. Jason's just put a jig on there and it's absolutely got trashed. Chris is on the God knows.
Oh, these are good fish.
Beautiful fishies. Alright, the kingies are happening. We've finally found them.
Oh, he's feeling you too. Oh, look at this, he's going.
What you got over here, John? Let me get in and have a quick look at this reel.
Look at this rod. This is a
GT custom rod.
Yeah, twisted axe, 10 to 24 kilo, and holy, it's got a bend in her.
Alright, we'll get back up over this side and we'll see what we can do. Alright. He's giving that old GT rod a bit of a workout.
No mercy. No mercy, both.
Oh, he's going. Oh, he's going there, he's going hard.
He must be a good fish.
Yeah. You can't be too far away there, Chris, eh?
No colour yet. Yeah, here he is.
Yeah, colour now. Who's got colour?
Me.
Both?
Me. Chris does.
Chris has? Alright. Let's have a look at this fella. Where is there? He comes up through the water column there. What have we got? Sambo or guys? No, big kings. Kingies. Good one, Chris.
Bag king.
Alright, spot on. Alright, Jay, what's going on over here?
He's pumping me on this jig, I tell you. Just smashed it on the way down on the drop. The line just started taking off.
Chris, don't get you to wind that other rod into this. Alright, beautiful. This jig in action. I'll tell you what, gee, that rod's working that fish out pretty well.
Oh, I love this rod. Here he is.
Colour.
Was colour.
Alright, beautiful. Alright, hopefully we're going to have a good film today on these big kings here we've been finding. No, just want to put him back in the light baity.
Oh, look at the king's fire on him.
Too bad?
Yeah.
Just drop him down there, Chris. Oops.
There was one just underneath him there.
He's a nice, tell you what, he's a big king. He's a nice fish. This big lump of fish. Oh, beautiful fish. Oh, he's a lump of a fish.
Cracker.
On a jig. Beautiful.
That's
All
stud
right.
fish. Beautiful.
Country to coast has gone off again.
Let's get back in on.
Alright. Alright, we've finally got another kingy on board. Monster fish, this one, but.
Hey, when's it recording? When the two green lines are on?
No.
When the red dots are on?
Yep.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah.
We'll have to dub over that. Go on, sorry.
Yeah, good. Quite a few had a go at this fish just then, and I'm a bit worried about it. I reckon I've got sharked. I reckon Joe will let this one go. Yeah. Well, I'm going to get a photograph of this bowl in a sec, and then I'll show you the release. Alright, we'll let this fella go. They're magnificent fish. I said the old bait fishing lures, they got quite a big mouth for a fish there to get a good sized fish down in there. They haven't got teeth, they got like a rasp in there where they can just hang on to their prey. But anyway, away he goes. Jay's back onto another one with the jig. I've got a livey down there at the moment. We're going to see what happens.
Not a big fish, this one. I hooked him just about underneath the boat.
Yeah, got him right up top.
Yeah. Not a big one, this one, but... Oh, no, I just dropped him. Oh, well, it's all right.
Got off.
We'll go again.
You're on.
I've just tried one of my old lures that I haven't used in 35 years and got belted straight away with it. Oh, that was the end of that. I think he busted my lure off.
He's a big fish.
This fella's not real happy with the world.
He's going to smoke you back to the bottom.
I reckon he's going to get me to the bottom, I reckon. Geez, these rods, they just... You don't have to work at all with these rods. They're just sitting there and he's just still peeling line off me. I hope he stops shortly. He's going to punch a hole in the bottom.
That's a big fish.
And we're out, as I said, we're out in 60 metres of water there, and I reckon he's got 70 on me. I reckon he's ploughing the rocks down there, I reckon. Now we've got to get him back.
That's a big fish.
Oh, this is great. I love this. It's getting a bit old for this shit, but it's all good. Jay, can I get you to get a little bit of this on the phone?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, no, but when he's near the end.
Close, yeah.
Yeah. So I'm just getting to get him ready. He's not real happy. At least I've got a fair bit of I've got a fair bit of line back off him. At least he's not on the bottom now.
I'm back over the back.
It's good when you're out there fishing for this. You've got to use different methods. We went and got live bait, and we had some jigs here, and we thought we'd just try a few jigs down amongst them there. And obviously they can't help themselves. If it's going flat out, they've got to chase it, which is really good. Not real good for the groin. Right away, here we go. He's a big fish too. He's a good one. Oh, we got a big fella on here. That's the 150, the torture rod. I'm using 50-pound braid. And that one there is 150 straight through. Got colour here.
Oh, how I've missed these fish.
Oh, they're beautiful kingies. Top fish. How we going there, Jake?
Oh, yeah. I love how these fish pull. Geez, they're good.
Oh, I'll put some effort to it. Hey, these young fellas, mate, they got they sit back and just think it's a holiday.
Yeah.
I'll wait for the young fella to get his up. We haven't seen these fish for a little while now. They've been missing for about 1.5 years, and they've finally come back. I've been fishing these grounds here for about 15 years. And I haven't been out here for about 2 years. I thought we'd come out and have a look, and sure enough, here they are.
Beautiful fish.
Look at that.
The hook just fell out.
Hook's out. Come up and give him a kiss and we'll... This would be a good photograph. You can see where a big shark's had to go up this one. The big lines here. There's a big shark's grabbed this fish before, but he's healed himself. So we're going to let him go anyway. So we'll just get a photograph of these and then we'll let them go.
Just hooked something here. It's not big. No. Put my line. Now he knows it's hooked. Look at the little one coming under him.
Yeah?
Yeah. Now he's going. Not happy now. Can see them all swimming at the back of the boat here.
Yeah?
Yeah. Still there? Yep, here they are. Swimming all in the water here. Yep. All down there.
What I'm going to do then, put a little floater. I'm going to put a little tiny jig in here.
I'll keep this fish here because they're swimming right behind him. Yep. I'll just keep him in the water there. Now he's not.
There we go.
Oh, Dad's just hooked up on the little rod.
I just put the little GT rod out and bingo. We'll test these reels out from In Pursuit. One of the new reels we just got put on.
Alright, might get this fella in. There we are. Very good little tuna. Beautiful tuna.
I've only got a little rat on there, which is good. I didn't want it too big on this gear. He's not happy now.
Yeah. Just get him up and let him go.
Actually, I think we'll keep this one for a feed. We haven't had a feed of kings for a while, I think, so we'll just keep this one here.
They don't want to come into the boat.
This thing's not happy neither. Big good fish.
Another good solid fish. Yes. Oh, smacked the head.
Oh, he's got off at the side of the boat. I'll just track another lure down.
See him? Beautiful. Do you want to keep him or do you want to let him go? How can we let him go?
Let him go.
We'll let this fella go. They're a magic fish, these fish. There he goes.
Well, here we go again.
That just hooked up on the little one again.
Must be a big school of little kings have just come all around the boat. I'm just going to clean that lens too there in a minute. Well, the big rod's got here, Tradesman, hold this.
Yep, I've got to
Take this.
You're all happening here now. Look at this little rod.
Well, the kings have turned it on now. Getting on in the afternoon a little bit now. They're good fun on this little light gear.
There he is.
Beautiful little fish.
Little fish on the rod.
Hold him up for a second.
I'll try and get him up first.
Let's get this one, should be not a big one, this one.
There he is.
There you go.
You can see in the water here, there's another little kingy. Oh, we're on again. I think he just got off. They can fight these fish. They don't call them kingies for no reason. They just blow you from the bottom to the top. They're a magnificent looking fish. We'll put him back for another day. Mwah! There we go. Beautiful.
I'm just going to drop the little rod down and have a bit of fun on the little rod, see if I can get it, watch it, get hooked up. Let that little fella go. Just going to get the little rod. Oh, he's had it. Right here again. Oh, he's coming. Oh, he's right there at the boat. Where'd he go? Have to drop this. Because there's little fellas up here right next to the boat. These little rods go well. These new little reels from In Pursuit Fishing Tackle, they're just new and we've only just got them in to try out, and you know, these little fish, they're going well. They'd handle a big snapper, no worries. This one's the XB 3000, matched with the GT custom rod, 4 to 8 kilos, 7 foot. Oh, I got this little fella foul hook. Oh, there it goes. That's alright, saves me getting him off.
Whoa, oh, busted him. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. Only little fella. You agree? Yeah. Only little fellas. Oh, man, good. Another one off.